So today I'm going to teach you how to replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Because when replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones is a powerful practice that can transform your mindset. And it will boost your confidence and open doors of new opportunities for you. So I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide how to reframe those beliefs. First, you're going to identify your limiting beliefs. And you're going to do this by examining yourself. How you talk to yourself. What do you say to yourself in difficult situations? Do you say, I'm not smart enough? I'm not worthy. I don't deserve success. I can't handle this. Whatever you're saying to yourself, you're going to write that down and you're going to journal and reflect on it. Next, you're going to examine the origin of each belief. You're going to think about where each belief originated from. Was it something you learned from your family, your parents taught you, your cousins, aunties, whatever, your school, or past experiences? So, understanding the roots of your limited beliefs will help you see that they aren't necessarily true, but they are just simply perspectives that were formed over time. So, once you have these beliefs written down and you understand the origin of it, you're going to challenge the validity of this belief. And you're going to question these limited beliefs by asking, is this belief absolutely true? You're going to have to ask yourself these questions. And you're going to ask yourself, are there any times in my life when I've proven this belief wrong? Then I want you to ask yourself again, what would a friend say if I shared this belief with them? Because oftentimes limited beliefs are based on fear or past experiences that don't define your present reality. Now it's time for you to create empowering counter beliefs. You're going to change the old beliefs and replace them with new ones. So for every limiting belief, create a new empowering belief that aligns with who you want to be. And I'm going to give you an example. For instance, limited belief, I'm not good enough. You're going to change it to I am capable, worthy, and always learning and growing. So you're going to write these down and make sure you use them and say them to yourself every day so you can replace those limited beliefs with empowering. So you're going to use affirmations and visualization. So repeat your empowering beliefs daily as affirmations. Say them out loud, visualize them, whatever you need to do, write them down, because affirmations help you reprogram your mind by reinforcing those new beliefs. So when you visualize yourself acting from a place of empowerment. Imagine how you will feel and behave if you fully embrace these beliefs. Because visualization, it really helps you build familiarity and confidence in your mindset. So with everything, we always have to take action. So you're going to take small actions to reinforce these new beliefs. So challenge yourself to take action that is aligned with your new beliefs. And I'm going to give you an example. So if your empowering belief is I'm confident and capable, start by taking small steps that reinforce that confidence. Like speaking up in the meetings or, setting new goals, doing something that makes you stand out and feel confident. Because each small action you take in alignment with your empowering beliefs, it reinforces and helps it to become a part of your new identity. Now you might have to surround yourself with positive influences because people around you play a huge role in shaping your beliefs. So surround yourself with supportive, empowering individuals who encourage your growth and validate your new beliefs. So we all backtrack at times. So you're going to have to learn how to practice self-compassion and patience with yourself. Because changing your beliefs is really a gradual process. So you got to learn how to be kind to yourself and celebrate every step forward, even if it's small. So with consistent practice, your new beliefs will replace the old ones, becoming second nature to you. So replacing limited beliefs with empowering ones is an ongoing journey. It's a lifelong journey that we all should go through, and it's something that I go through on a daily process. So you have to understand with dedication, it can really lead to incredible growth. It can lead to transformation. So embrace this process and remember, always remember this, your potential is limitless. So if this helps out, please leave a comment in the comment section.